welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning a very important topic in SolidWorks, that is revolve. And in the revolve we will learn both the option, like revolve with closed profile and revolve with open profile. Apart from that, we will learn many sub command, so keep watching the video till end, and I think this video will be very helpful. So first we will learn how to do the revolve with a closed object. Okay, for that you need to select a plane of your choice and then draw a axis based on which the revolution will be occur, and a closed sketch with complete constraint. So here I am drawing the closed sketch. Once I completed the sketching, then I will make it constraint. Now click on the revolve and choose the axis of the revolution, and now see the revolution has been occurred properly, and the rotation angular rotation is, in my case, it is 360. Some more sub comments are there. One by one we will be discussing on that. There is one more option, that is direction 2. Here you can specify direction 1 value and direction 2 value. Just click on the direction 2 option, and then after that, if you provide total, the distance will be 360. Now you can divide the value. Like here, if I give the first direction 1, that is 180, and the other direction, if I want, I can give 60 degree. See, this much is direction 1, that is a 180, and after that 60 degree, and then accept it. Okay, so this is direction 1 and direction 2. Next we will understand how to do up to. So after completing direction 1, direction 2, now we will be understanding this option. This is up to surface. So deselect the direction 2 option, and here purposefully I am reducing the degree, that is I am making it 60, so that you can understand better. So I am making it 60. Now click on the up to surface option. Click on it. Choose a surface of till which it will be rotating. So here I suppose I am selecting right plane. See, it is rotated till the right plane. That means this is my surface. It will be rotating till this surface. Hope it is clear with you. See, now it is rotating only this much. Next we will understand offset from the. Now we have understand this one, up to surface. Next option is offset from the surface. So from this surface, the offset distance you need to provide. Suppose it is 15 degree. Okay, see, you can see the distance from here to here. It is away from 15 degree. Sorry, 15 mm. So the offset will be occurred away from 15 mm. If you see like this, you can see it properly. So this is offset from the surface. Accept it. Now see, you can see it properly. See it, if you show the, see here I am showing the plane so that you can understand it is 15 mm away from this, or 15 mm the surface, this surface is 15 mm offsetted from this plane. After that, our last option, that is midplane revolution. Now, to create the midplane revolution, first you need to select the midplane revolution. After that, for the better understanding, I am reducing the angle so that you can able to observe it very clearly. I am making it okay, fine, I'll do it 60 degree, not 40 degree will be too less. So I'm making it for 60 degree. Now once I clicked on this midplane extension, see the, sorry, midplane revolution, see the revolution will be occurred symmetrically. That means if the total value is 60 degree, from the sketch it will be revolved 30 degree in the left hand side, and in the right hand side it will be 30 degree. So totally it will be 60 degree. That is the beauty of midplane revolution. But if you do the blind, it will be revolving in a single direction, not in the symmetrical direction. See, I am choosing this symmetrical direction, that is midplane extension. Hope you this is very clear with you. All the options are very clear. In case if you have any doubt, please do comment me so that I can give you I may create a new video on your doubts, or I can answer your all comments. Okay. So this is almost all about revolution with a close profile. Next we will be learning So now our last topic is revolve with open profile. So it is same as the closed profile, but only difference is you need to keep a open profile. So for that you have to draw a axis of a rotation and then a open profile, then make it constraint and then revolve as it is. Once the constraint work is done, then exit from the 2D sketch and start doing the revolve option. Once the profile is open, that time you will receive a error message. Simply you have to click on no. Then the revolve property manager will be open. From that, select the thin feature and specify the thickness of the wall. So I believe I am able to make you understand the option called revolve in SolidWorks. Now you can implement it in your required project, and if you think my tutorials is useful for your learning purpose, then please do share with your learner friends, and please do subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much for watching my video till now, and I'll get back with some more useful video very soon. So I'll stop here today. Thank you once again.